Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so excited to be bringing to you a black and white themed home decor haul just in time for spring, so stay tuned. The first item that I picked up that got me so in the mood for spring, you guys know how much I love black and white. So the first item that I picked up was this bunny, this black and white polka dot bunny. I got it from Home Goods. It was $12.99. I could not believe it. I absolutely had to have it, and I'm going to use it in my home office to decorate and bring in some spring. So I absolutely love this, and I am going to pair it. I'm going to sit little bunny here, and I'm going to actually pair it with this gorgeous plant. And it's one of those dry planters, like the live flowers that are greenery that has been dried. And so I love that, and I love the black and white striped ribbon around it, and it's going to pair so beautifully with the bunny. How gorgeous is that? Amazing! So cute. I'm going to sit those here. The next item was actually a gift from Very Carrie's mom. So you guys go down in the comments below and say thank you, Very Carrie's mom. Like, she knows how much I love black and white. I have such an affinity for it. She bought me this amazing tea set, and the crazy thing is I had been eyeing these pieces at Home Goods, but you guys know I'm Miss Lux for Less, so I'm like, I don't need that. I can't really justify that purchase. And guess what? Oh my gosh, it was so amazing that she purchased a set for me. I absolutely love it. It has the black and white polka dots, it has the little stripes, and it has the hint of gold that I absolutely love. And it's by Grace Teaware, and I love, love, love the Grace Teaware pieces that you can find in Home Goods. So the tea set came with this teapot along with the trays, the little plates, and the cups, and she got me two different styles. So how gorgeous is that? Like, so luxurious. Tea time. And you guys know that in the spring I absolutely love doing teas, and this particular set I'm going to create a tablescape that is just for some of my adult girlfriends, because they get so jealous when I do teas with the little girls. They're like, we want to do a tea too. So we're going to do a tea with the adults this year, and I'm going to invite 4 of my girlfriends over and do a tea time. So you guys let me know down in the comments below if you want to be included. So here's the other tea set. How amazing. Like, so dainty. Love it. Love it. So gorgeous. I love these pieces. Thank you so much, Very Carrie's mom. You are so amazing. You definitely did not have to do it, but I'm so glad you did. So I love these pieces, and I cannot wait to entertain at my home this spring using them. The next item I have, I've actually had this for a little while, but I don't think I've ever shared it with you guys in a haul video. But it's this, you've probably seen this like all over Instagram and YouTube. A lot of YouTubers have them, but I love this book because you guys know, again, I love black and white, and this looks so good in my office, in my home office, on the file cabinet, because my file cabinet is black, and I absolutely love it. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. This whole page, the first page, is just the gorgeousness of the stripes. I think like one of my first videos I did was a collab with At Home with Nikki on your purse organization. And if you guys go back to that video, you'll see that I have like all these stripes in the background. The purse was black and white stripes, but I just think this is such a gorgeous tabletop book, and I absolutely love it. I got it from Amazon, and I will leave that link down below. The next item that I picked up was from Ross, and I'm not sure if I shared these with you guys in a haul or not, but if I did, just pretend like it's your first time seeing it. I can't remember. I've been collecting these black and white things for quite some time. But the next item that I picked up is this set of Nestle bowls from Ross. I absolutely love these, and let me see if I can show you guys the inside. So that's what it looks like inside. Okay, these are great for mixing, but what I like to use them for is for serving. And this will be perfect for my tea, because what I plan on having for the tea is just like a salad, and then everybody can kind of pick what they want to put on the salad. And I'll use these black and white bowls for serving dishes. This first small polka dot one was $1.99 at Ross. The next one is a black and white stripe one, and it was $3.99 at Ross. The next one is a black bowl with white polka dots. I think the first one was white with black polka dots, and it was $4.99 at Ross. And then this large one was $7.99 at Ross. So I thought this was such an amazing deal, like for serving pieces, and I cannot wait to use this for my tea. And it will definitely coordinate with the pieces that I got from Very Carey's mom, and I'm so super duper excited. And I'll use these things on the table, so it's going to be so cute, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So comment down below if you want to see how I set up a tea for the ladies. The next item that I got is a Kate Spade tea kettle, and I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. And because the handle was a little bit loose, all I have to do is add a screw there, but the handle is just a tad bit loose. They marked it down from $49.99 to $9.99, and you can actually get these right now in Dillard's or Belk, or Bed Bath & Beyond for the full price. I thought that was such an amazing deal. And again, it will be great for hot water for our tea, or if they want coffee or whatever they want. We'll have a stylish tea kettle to match it all. So I cannot wait to use this as well for our ladies' tea. And keeping in the line of Kate Spade, I went to Dillard's and I found these amazing Kate Spade napkins, and it just has the and sign on them. They were 65% off with an additional 50% off, so they were $3.50 and half off the $3.50 for Kate Spade. So I got 6 of these, and these are the napkins that I'll be using on the table for the tea. So that is going to be so much fun. And for invitations, I have these envelope liners that I just purchased at Hobby Lobby. They have a huge sale on their craft items right now, so you guys definitely want to check them out. The original price on these were $4.99, and I got them for 60 cents each. And so this will line the actual envelope, so when they open the envelope, it'll have like this cute liner on the inside, and I think that it will be so cute to include in their invitations. And I'm so super excited to send out invites to the ladies' tea, and then just include their custom liners. And then I will probably also use these to create like name tags for the food, or food tints for the salad bar, and then also for place for the different place settings as well. So I think those were such a great deal. Guys, this concludes our spring home decor haul featuring all these gorgeous black and white items. So I'm so anxious to see what you guys think about this haul, because I've never done like a themed home decor haul. So if you guys enjoyed this, please be sure to leave me a comment below and let me know your favorite item in this haul. Like for me, it is definitely the bunny, of course, technically because I hauled the bunny, and then tying with that is my tea set. Like, this is so amazing, so gorgeous, so beautiful, so wonderful. I cannot wait to use it. So let me know your favorite items in the comments down below. I'll be so excited to hear about what you guys think is awesome in this haul. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already a member of the Lux for Less family. We'd love to have you here. all you have to do is click that subscribe button and be sure to turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have some exciting videos like how to have a wedding for less than $1,000, like that's coming up. I have some more exciting hauls coming up, so many exciting things coming up. So you guys want to make sure that you stay tuned. If you aren't already following me, be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. There I make daily updates. I'm also blogging, so I will leave the link to my blog down in the description box below. If you'd like to be a part of Luxe Academy, I'm having a design school that will take place on, it's going to be online on March the 25th or 24th. I'll have to be sure. I'll link that down below. If you'd like to sign up for Luxe Academy, be sure to sign up down by using the link down in the description box below. Also, you'll need to stay tuned. I have some very exciting videos coming up next week, like this one about how to host a wedding for $1,000. I think all of you DIY brides and event planners will find this video so interesting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed seeing my black and white inspired home decor spring haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Living Luxuriously for Less. And until next time, it's Melanie. Cheers.